Hey guys, it's Liv. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is some vegan lunch ideas. These are just super easy recipes that are really easy to make either the night before or to kind of batch cook to have for lunches during the week. If you are planning on taking these with you on the go to school or work, you need to keep them cold and then heat them up in a microwave before you are going to eat them. If you don't have a microwave at your school, I recommend using like a thermos or something to keep it warm until you're going to eat it. Before I get into that, I just have two things to say. The first is I posted my skincare routine on my lifestyle channel, so I will pop that up here and in the description box if you're interested in checking it out. The second one is that I finally launched my online vegan cooking course. It is called Learn to Cook Vegan. It's aimed at beginners of vegan cooking to kind of teach you the basics of vegan cooking and baking, and then it also gives you a week's worth of recipes in really easy to follow video tutorials. So if you're interested in checking that out, I will link the website below. I would love for you guys to go check it out. So yeah, that is everything I have to say. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let's get into it. Okay, we are starting with a little bit of coconut oil in a frying pan on medium heat, and then we're going to add some chopped onions, zucchini, and bell pepper. You can add whatever vegetables you like. These are just what I had on hand. And then once the onions have become translucent, it should take about 5 or 6 minutes. You can add the chickpeas, curry powder, and coconut milk, and that is it. You're just going to stir it together and simmer it for about 5 to 10 minutes just so that it kind of thickens and all the flavors really come together. And I know that this seems super easy, but I promise it tastes amazing and it's filling, it's got protein, and combined with the brown rice, it is a really balanced and healthy lunch. So I just put some brown rice into my IKEA glass container, and then I added the coconut curry, and I will put a recipe for a single serving and then a recipe for like 4 servings, and that recipe will be in the description box below as always. For the next recipe, we're starting again with a little bit of coconut oil. You want to let the coconut oil heat up in the pan before putting the tofu in, otherwise it will kind of stick to the pan. Mine still stuck a little bit because this isn't actually the pan that I normally use. I usually use my good one. Then we're just adding a sweet and spicy sauce that is from my vegan sauces video. It is just basically maple syrup, sriracha, and water, and it is seriously so incredible. And as an optional step, I just added in some green onions and then fried that until, again, the sauce kind of thickened and the tofu was really crispy. Then again, I put some of the brown rice into my IKEA container, added the tofu, and then I added a couple lime wedges just for squeezing on after, and some extra fresh green onion. So you're going to start by adding some brown rice, then we are adding the lettuce, some cooked corn niblets. I just actually buy them frozen and just defrosted it in the microwave. Then I added some cherry tomatoes, some black beans. I bought these already cooked as well, but if you cook your own, then just factor in the time that you'll need to spend cooking them before making this. And then last but not least, I added some avocado. I squeezed a little bit of lemon on the avocado to try and keep it from going brown a little bit less. On the side, I would just have a little container of like salsa or vegan sour cream, or just something to add on top of it when you go to eat it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you make any of these, as usual, take a photo and tag me on Instagram at itslivb. Again, if you're interested in checking out my online course, the link is in the description box below. I would love for you guys to check it out. So that's everything for me today. I really hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I will see you in my next video.